Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I decorate a table for two. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Always remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. Commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now this week it's freestyle, there is no guest, so we can decorate our tables any way that we want. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there I have the calendar of collaborations for the month, and that's including Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Also, remember that we mention the collaboration at the beginning of the video, and we also make sure and place all the information in the description box along with the guest if we have one. We are getting ready to head on over to the reveal. Let me go ahead and tell you about all the pieces on the table. Okay, so let's take a look at the tablecloth. That was a thrifted item. Then we're going to go over to the chargers that came from Hobby Lobby. The navy blue dinner plate that came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have the salad plate, which came from Home Goods. And then the blue willow plate that came from the Goodwill. Now the utensils, they came from Party City, the wine glasses came from Walmart, and then the drinking glasses came from the Goodwill. So now overall, I think this tablescape was budget friendly. It's nice and cozy, and it just something about that tablecloth gave it a refreshing look. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.